Hi, it's Min and we're back on She Walks the World, where I try and experiment to cook some of the international dishes that I've tried on my travels. So during this COVID-19 pandemic period, since we're stuck at home, I'm using the opportunity to cook. So instead of walking the world, I am walking the world. But you can always read about my travels by heading onto my blog at shewalkstheworld.com, and don't forget to subscribe. So today is very special because I want to introduce to you to a popular dish from my home country, Malaysia. So we just entered the month of Ramadan, where a lot of people fast in this country, and the way they celebrate when they open fast is by buying lots and lots of food at the Ramadan bazaars in the evening. And one of the most popular dishes at these bazaars is the Ayam Percik, which is a barbecue coconut spicy chicken, but by direct translation it means splash chicken. Anyway, this dish actually originates from the states of Terengganu and Kelantan on the east coast of the peninsula. And I can't wait to try to cook it because it's my first time. So let's get started. The Ayam Percik. So the first thing we have to do is marinate the chicken. What you need is, of course, the chicken. I'm using the bottom half part of the chicken, which are the drumsticks and thighs. And you'll also need about half a red onion or about 4 small shallots, an inch of ginger, as well as 3 cloves of garlic and a pinch of salt. Okay, now we're going to blend the onions, ginger and garlic, as well as the salt. Then we're going to use the blended ingredients to marinate the chicken. Make sure you put it inside the skin as well because you want it to really seep through. And then leave the chicken to sit for about 1 to 2 hours. You can always grill the chicken straight on the fire grill, but I'm going to make the process a little bit faster by steaming the chicken to about 50% cooked first. While the chicken is in the steamer, we'll start with the sauce. What you need is 2 packs of coconut milk, 1 large red onion, or you can use 10 shallots, 1 inch of ginger, 1 stalk of lemongrass, 3 dried chili, which I've softened in warm water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste or asam jawa that are diluted in a 1/4 cup of water. So I'm going to blend the ingredients together, the onions, the ginger, the lemongrass, dried chili, and to make the blending process a little bit easier, I'm going to add in about half a box of santan. And we're done! Woo! So now we're going to cook the sauce. Going to put in the paste I made earlier, as well as the 1.5 boxes of coconut milk. Then we're going to stir and mix it until it becomes a very, very thick looking sauce. We want to continue stirring it throughout so that it doesn't actually clump up. We want the sauce to be nice and smooth. So once the sauce has gotten a little bit thicker, I'm going to add in the sugar as well as the salt and the diluted tamarind paste and stir it some more. Alright, now that the sauce is nice and thick, so I'm going to scoop out about a few spoonfuls of this sauce to keep aside to drizzle on the cooked chicken later, and the rest will be to dip the chicken in. So I'm going to dunk my half-cooked chicken into the sauce. Ooh, cover it all nicely. Now we're ready to take it to the fire. To cook the chicken, you can pan fry or put it in the oven, but it's best to barbecue grill it. Make sure to splash as much sauce on both sides as often as possible. And once cooked, we'll take it off the grill and arrange the chicken pieces nicely on the plate. Then we'll take a bit of the leftover sauce I saved just now and sprinkle it over the chicken. And ta-da! Wow. Here's my very, very simple Ayam Percik. So I guess my Ayam Percik is a success. And if you can't go to the Ramadan Bazaar like now, well, you can try the recipe and have your very own Ayam Percik too. This is Min. Thank you so much for joining me yet again on another episode of She Walks the World. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see me cook any international dishes on the show, do let me know in the comments below. That's it. Let's eat! You can always eat the Ayam Percik together with a whole meal, or just have it with white rice or our traditional lemang or ketupat. I'm going to enjoy it like this.